Top 4 running shoes of 2025, best picks for men and women. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so listen up because today we're diving deep into the world of running shoes. Not just any running shoes. We're talking about the top dogs, the cream of the crop, the absolute best running shoes of 2025. Whether you're pounding the pavement every morning or just starting to get those laces dirty, these picks are gonna blow your mind. We're talking next level comfort, insane durability, and style that'll turn heads. Let's do this thing. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up, we're kicking things off with a classic, a shoe that's been crushing it for years. The Under Armour Men's Charged Assert 9 running shoe. This bad boy is all about that lightweight feel, you know, the kind that makes you forget you're even wearing shoes. They've got this breathable mesh upper, and get this, it comes in this sick 3-color digital print. Yeah, you heard me right, digital print. But don't let the flash fool you, this shoe is built tough. They've got durable leather overlays because, let's face it, we all need a little extra support sometimes. These overlays lock in your midfoot, giving you that extra stability you need to push your limits. And let's talk about comfort for a second. The EVA sock liner, man, it's like stepping on a cloud. You're gonna feel that soft, cushy goodness with every stride. But it's not just about comfort, it's about performance too. That's where the charged cushioning midsole comes in. This thing uses compression-molded foam, which basically means they've taken the science of running and poured it into a shoe. You get ultimate responsiveness, the kind that propels you forward with every step, and durability that'll keep you going mile after mile. And to top it all off, they've got this solid rubber outsole that covers all the high-impact zones. That means more durability, but here's the kicker, less weight. They've managed to make a shoe that's both tough as nails and light as a feather. I'm telling you, this is the shoe you want on your feet. Next up, we're switching gears a bit, stepping into the world of New Balance. Now I know what you're thinking, New Balance, really? But trust me on this one, the New Balance Men's Fresh Foam Rove 5-1 sneaker is a game changer. This shoe is the epitome of casual athletic style. It's got this bold, head-turning look that's impossible to ignore, but it doesn't sacrifice comfort for style. They've somehow managed to pack in plush comfort that'll have you feeling like you're walking on sunshine. And speaking of feeling good, let's talk about their Fresh Foam midsole. This isn't your average foam, folks. This is precision-engineered, ultra-cushioned, lightweight goodness. New Balance calls it their proprietary technology, and after one run in these shoes, you'll understand why. But it's not all about that cloud-like feeling. This shoe is built to last. They've got this endurance rubber outsole that's designed to handle even the toughest workouts. It provides superior durability in all the high wear areas, so you can keep pushing yourself without worrying about your shoes wearing out. And let's not forget about that heel. The Ultra Heel design is where style meets function. It hugs the back of your foot for a snug, supportive fit, and it looks damn good doing it. This unique heel works in perfect harmony with the booty upper, giving you all-day comfort that's simply unmatched. And with an 8mm drop, these shoes are perfect for runners of all levels. They've found that sweet spot between cushioning and responsiveness, giving you the best of both worlds. Chapter 3, Under Armour Charged, Assert 9 built for her. Now, ladies, we haven't forgotten about you. The Under Armour Women's Charged Assert 9 running shoe is specifically designed for the female foot, and let me tell you, they nailed it. Just like the men's version, this shoe is all about that lightweight, breathable comfort. The mesh upper is back and better than ever, with a 3-color digital print that's sure to turn heads. They've kept the durable leather overlays for added stability and that locked-in feel that we all know and love. And of course, the EVA sock liner is back, providing that signature underfoot comfort that Under Armour is known for. They know that women need that extra support, especially during high-impact activities, so they've kept the charged cushioning midsole. This means you get the same responsiveness and durability as the men's version, but tailored specifically for the female foot. And let's be real, we all know that women's shoes need to look just as good as they feel. The Charged Assert 9 delivers on both fronts with a sleek, stylish design that's as at home on the track as it is on the streets. And with a solid rubber outsole covering all the high-impact zones, you can rest assured that these shoes are built to last. Chapter 4, New Balance 608 V5, Classic Comfort Redefined. Last but not least, we're finishing strong with the New Balance Women's 608 V5 Cross Trainer. This shoe is a true classic, a testament to New Balance's commitment to comfort and performance. They've been making shoes for over a century, and the 608 V5 is a culmination of all that experience. It's designed to provide all-day comfort and support, whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or just kicking back and relaxing. The PU foam insert offers long-lasting comfort that contours to your foot, giving you a customized fit that's like a hug for your feet. And for those who love that lightweight feel, the injection-molded EVA foam midsole delivers. It provides that perfect balance of cushioning and responsiveness, so you can stay light on your feet without sacrificing comfort. Now let's talk about the little things, because it's the details that really set this shoe apart. The Phantom Liner interior has minimal seaming, which means less irritation and more comfort. They've even added an internal midsole shank for added midfoot structure and support. And if that's not enough, the NB Soft Plus supportive comfort insert will have you feeling like you're walking on clouds. It's like having a personal masseuse for your feet. And there you have it, folks, the top 4 running shoes of 2025. Whether you're looking for comfort, durability, or style, these picks have got you covered. We've got the Under Armour Charged Assert 9, a lightweight and breathable shoe that's perfect for everyday runs. Then there's the New Balance Fresh Foam Roav V1, a stylish and comfortable option that's perfect for those who want the best of both worlds. And for the ladies, we've got the Under Armour Women's Charged Assert 9, specifically designed for the female foot, and the New Balance Women's 608 V5 Cross Trainer, a classic shoe that's built for all-day comfort. No matter what your running style or preference, there's a shoe out there for you. So get out there, lace up, and hit the ground running.